We all know how AI is taking over our creative industries, right? So today we are going to see how to work together with AI technologies to build a stunning web designs. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. We are going to use ChatGPT for content and Midjourney for visuals. If you are not familiar with these two AI technologies, please check out my video. I have provided the links in the description below. And earlier when we are about to start a new project, what we will do is that we will do wireframes and we reiterate it until we get a proper or robust concept out of it. But now the technology has improved a lot. All we need to do is that we have to simply input our prompt ideas so that the AI generates design content for us. I'm in the Midjourney right now and I'm going to select one of these newbies channels from here and I'm going to type in a prompt. Don't forget you have to put in imagine and the prompt. So I need a website for a pet shop, right? So I'm going to type in our website. So the bot has given me a few ideas, but it's not the way like I have imagined. So I'm going to reiterate it. Like I'm going to put up new prompt ideas into it. Now I'm going to add UI, UX, and UI to it so that now the bot generates the web page with experiences. So it has the UI elements. Let's wait and see how it's going to come out. Boom, there you go. I really like the third option better because it's just looks like a real website now. So I'm going to create 3 more versions out of it. Cool, I have my web page designed for me in minutes, right? So yeah, it's really cool, and now I can just copy this into my Photoshop and I can do the edits and I can put in my content, I can share it with my client, right? It's very simple. This is one way to do it. The other way to do it is like, say for example, if you like a particular website or if you like a particular design, you can just copy paste that into the page and you can ask AI to generate designs out of it. So what we can do is like you can copy that particular image, take a screenshot of it, put it in the AI tool and add your own prompt idea so that the AI generates a design just like the layout you have set. So I'm going to go to Dribble and search for a pet shop web page design and I can look up for information. I mean the inspiration over there, and what I can do is I'm just gonna click this. I'm going to open an image in new tab. I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to come here. I'm going to input my prompt ideas with the URL. So I'm going to add my own keywords to it. Boom, it's done. It's done. It just looks like the page I have shared. Now I can go straight into ChatGPT for the content and I can just copy paste that in and we can submit to the stage for approval. So now I'm going to use ChatGPT for the content for the landing page, like generate landing page content for my web shop website page. Wow, the ChatGPT has now generated the content. I can just copy it, copy the image, send my designs to my agencies or freelancers I'm working for. Boom, that's it. I'm going to have a relaxed time now. I hope you found this video very informative and useful. If yes, please click on the like button and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon. Only then the efforts I put in will reach you. See you in other videos soon. Bye bye. Happy creating.